Amidst the development of modern military technology, artillery systems remain one of the most important backbones of land defense worldwide. One of the most widely used types of artillery is the howitzer, a heavy weapon capable of destroying targets from tens of kilometers away with high accuracy. However, behind its destructive power lies a long and highly complex process in the design and assembly of the latest generation of howitzers. Military engineers and defense technicians use sophisticated simulation software to determine the shape, power, firing range, and mobility of these artillery systems. Therefore, the design phase involves thousands of computer simulations. Every part is analyzed, from the main barrel, recoil system, ammunition chamber, and even the carrying vehicle. Once the design is finalized, the process continues with material selection. Modern howitzers use special high-strength steel that can withstand extreme heat, pressure, and impact. The main barrel is typically made from special forged steel through a multi-stage heat treatment process. This material must be able to withstand thousands of rounds without cracking. One of the most complex stages in howitzer production is the manufacture of the main barrel. This process requires high-precision industrial machinery and strict supervision. Giant steel rods are heated to extreme temperatures before being formed using high-pressure forging machines. Afterward, the inside of the barrel is precisely drilled using computer technology. The inner surface of the barrel must be perfectly smooth to ensure perfect projectile flight. An error of even a few millimeters can affect accuracy. After forming, the barrel undergoes a heat treatment process to increase the strength of the metal structure. Then, it is pressure tested using special high-powered bullets. The latest generation of howitzers now features sophisticated combat computers. Therefore, the electronics assembly process is a crucial part of the production line. Technicians install military GPS, navigation systems, ballistic computers, wind direction sensors, encrypted communication systems, supporting radars, and digital control displays. When a howitzer fires a projectile, it generates an incredibly large recoil. Therefore, a powerful recoil system is required. This system works using a combination of hydraulics and pneumatics. When the gun is fired, the recoil energy is absorbed to prevent damage or overturning. Some modern howitzers are self-propelled or mounted on armored vehicles. Therefore, vehicle integration is the next step. Powerful diesel engines are installed to enable the vehicle to move quickly and carry tens of tons of weight. Special suspension is also used to maintain stability in difficult terrain such as mud, sand, or mountains. Modern recoil technology allows the howitzer to remain stable even when firing large-caliber shells repeatedly. Some of the latest systems can even return to their original position in seconds, speeding up subsequent shots. This technology allows modern howitzers to fire with much higher accuracy than older systems that still rely on manual calculations. Some of the latest units are even connected to reconnaissance drones, allowing targets to be located and destroyed in record time. The howitzer is one of the most lethal artillery systems in the modern world. This weapon is designed to destroy targets from long distances with high accuracy and explosive power. In modern warfare, the howitzer is no longer just a simple cannon, but has evolved into a sophisticated combat system integrated with digital technology, radar, satellites, and even artificial intelligence. Major powers such as Turkey, the United States, Germany, and South Korea continue to compete to develop the latest generation of howitzers capable of striking faster, more accurately, and more lethally than previous generations. A howitzer is a heavy artillery weapon capable of firing projectiles with both high and flat trajectory. This system is used to destroy bunkers, armored vehicles, enemy bases, and even air defenses from tens of kilometers away. Unlike conventional cannons, modern howitzers combine high firepower with sophisticated digital control systems. Most modern howitzers also use automated systems, making the ammunition loading process much faster. Modern howitzers use digital ballistic computers that can calculate firing angles, wind speed, air pressure, and even weather conditions in seconds. This technology allows shells to hit targets with a very high degree of accuracy. The latest howitzers are capable of striking targets from distances of over 40 kilometers. Some modern artillery systems can even reach over 70 kilometers using guided rocket ammunition. This capability allows troops to attack enemies without having to be near the front lines of battle. The new generation of howitzers is equipped with autoloader technology. This technology allows for a much faster rate of fire than manual systems. In seconds, the howitzer can fire multiple projectiles simultaneously before the enemy knows the firing position. One of the key advances of modern howitzers is the shoot and scoot capability. After firing a projectile, the artillery vehicle can quickly reposition to avoid enemy This technology is crucial in modern warfare because enemy radar can detect the source of the fire in just seconds. Modern howitzers are now connected to reconnaissance drones and military satellites. The drones transmit target coordinates in real time, allowing the artillery system to strike quickly and with high precision. The combination of drones and howitzers makes attacks highly effective because targets can be destroyed without direct contact.